Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and in this one I'll be showing you how to turn on the screen off memo feature. So this feature lets you quickly take notes without turning on the screen or unlocking the device. So the feature works seamlessly and presents you with a black canvas as soon as you pull the S Pen out of the phone. So when the screen is turned off, it's a great way for jotting down notes and offers some basic customization options as well. And all the notes you create using this feature are saved in the Samsung Notes app as soon as you place the S Pen back into the slot there. Okay, so first of all, you will need to turn it on. So I'm going to show you how to turn it on. So just pull down the notifications and go into the settings and scroll down to where it says advanced features, and then here where it says S Pen, select it, and then you will see the screen off memos option here. So just go ahead and turn it on, and it just explains pretty much everything that I've said. So write notes while the screen is off, just remove the S Pen and start writing. So once you've turned that on, everything is set and you're good to go. So I'm just going to mention, if you don't see this option on your S23 Ultra, I will leave a link to my fix in the description down below. Just follow the steps in that video and then you will see this option on your S23 Ultra when you go into the S Pen settings. Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate how it works. So let's just say the screen is off and you're driving your car down the road. Somebody comes driving up the road very fast and they crash into you, but then drive off. All you have to do is just quickly take out the S Pen and you can write down the registration plate number real quick. It's as simple as that. So it would definitely come in handy in a situation like that. Also, there's some customization options. So if you select this option here, you can change the color of the writing. If you select this option here, you can change the thinness and the thickness of the pen. And if you make any mistakes, there's also an eraser, or you can just select the option to erase all. And you can scroll up and down if you run out of space. And you can also pin what you've written, and you can pin it to the always on display. Or you can just simply hit save, and then it will be saved in the Samsung Notes app as soon as you place the S Pen back into its slot. So yeah guys, this was just my video showing you how to turn on the screen off memo feature on the S23 Ultra. Like I mentioned, if you don't have this option on your S23 Ultra, I will leave a link to my fix video somewhere down here in the description. Go check it out and it will fix the screen off memo not showing up on your phone. Anyway, that's it. I'm out. See you in the next one, guys. Remember to thumbs up the video and share it. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Deuces.